Well, hey, it's gonna be a real short Sunbird garage video. My eyes messed up too. I don't know if I scratched it or I got something in it, I don't know. Anyway, hey, look what I got. Look it's over there. Look what I got. What is that? That is a brand new windshield for a Monza / Sunbird. These used to be available before the pandemic, and then when the pandemic hit, they all evaporated. You couldn't get any. So all of a sudden they came back in stock. Auto City Glass. There you go. Auto City Classic Glass in Minnesota. So $299, $135 in shipping. Ouch. So, but they package it really, really well. So, but I have not pulled it out of here, so I wanted to take a look at it and pull it out of here and make sure it's not cracked or broken or chipped or anything like that. I'm sure it's not, but yeah, let's just double check it. They really packaged this thing well. And it is broken. It is broken. Yeah, it is very much broken. So I actually made an unboxing video of this thing. And in the video, you'll see a big divot about right here, but there's no box damage. So the only thing I can think of is this thing was broke when they put it in the box, or shortly thereafter. I don't know, man. Aggravating. Okay, hey, take two. That one is broken. Talked to them. They said middle of August you'll get another one. Well, it's the, what is today? July 25th, and I came out after work and here it was in the garage. So FedEx delivered it. So let's unbox this sucker and see if it's broken. Let's first just look and make sure there's no box damage. Yeah, no box damage. Set her down. Still sealed. There we go. Lots of staples. And there she is. I don't see, you can't see. I got to this point on the other one and it looked great until I got it out of the box, and then I saw it was broken. But you can see it's packaged very well. Take this out. Wow, this wasn't in the other box, so I don't know. Maybe they packaged this one better. Oh shit, they packaged this one a lot better. My other one didn't have all of this stuff in it. That's that. That's that. Looks good. Problem is, like I said, you can't tell if it's broken until you get all of this stuff off of here. Cut that out. It's looking good so far. That over there. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's put this over here. I need 2 hands. I need 2 hands. Put it in the thingamabob. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Yep. She's good. So I'm not gonna take it all the way out of the packaging, I don't think, but obviously not broken, obviously in good shape with the antenna, with the shading, tinting, whatever they call it. There should be an antenna down there. Here's the antenna wire. So yeah, good job. So second try was the charm. That one was good. This one was packaged a lot better than that one. So for whatever reason, but got to thank Auto City Glass for coming through. I was kind of worried that they would stiff me, but everybody said they had a good reputation, and they delivered. They said it would be here in mid-August. It's July 25th, so I guess I can't complain about that. Windshields are good. Now it'll sit in this box for next 100 years until I put it in the car. So anyway, till next time, bye. No low ballers. Brand new Monza windshield. First 300 bucks takes it. There's nothing wrong with this windshield. It is perfectly fine. Don't just ignore that part. It'll go into your car without any issues. So first 300 bucks is yours.